Anguish. Severe physical or mental pain. He groaned in anguish. Effeminate. Looking, behaving, or sounding like a woman. He is an effeminate man. Enmity. Feelings of hate towards somebody. Personal enmities have injured relations within the department. Epoch. A period of time in history. The death of the king marked the end of an epoch in the country's history. Intrinsic. Belonging to, or part of the real nature of something. These tasks were repetitive, lengthy, and lacking any intrinsic value. Quotidian. Ordinary, typical of what happens every day. Their quotidian existence is tiring. Hazardous. Involving risk, or danger, especially to somebody's safety. They endured a hazardous journey through thickening fog. Peregrination. A long, slow journey. The character in the book wandered through strange lands during his peregrination. Attenuate. To make something weaker, or less effective. The drug attenuates the effects of the virus. Unravel. To unwind threads that are twisted, woven, or knitted. I unraveled the string, and wound it into a ball.